Alright, we're getting started here. There was a milking barn that used to be here that was in all this grass area. Burned it, buried it, and we have some very large fill piles left over from where all the concrete and debris went into. There's one there, one between the silos, and just a small one there. So I'm on a Bobcat 331D, just like a 7,400 pound mini, and I've got a 5550 Bobcat tractor with a 7x14 load trail dump trailer. So I'm going to be loading up this dirt, and then I have a kind of a ravine that's back behind some of these sheds that I'll be dumping it into. I'm going to save some of it as fill and then kind of level off some of the area back there, so I'll waste some of it and stockpile the rest. The other part I'm going to use for some fill as a driveway to that shed. So right now I'm just running over the lawn, and I want to make that a little nicer, so get you guys a view of loading the trailer. So just a little closer look at the equipment. Got a 331D hydraulic thumb, mini excavator, and a Bobcat 5550. 50 horse. Numbers are hidden by the loader there, but that's what it is. And a 7x14 dump trailer. We'll be taking this down behind this big shed here. There's kind of a ravine down there, and stockpiling it there. Reason you ask is this gets all full of weeds, and right as you pull in my driveway, it's kind of the first thing you see. So it's kind of an eyesore, so just getting rid of it. Just hiding it back down there. I don't want to get rid of all the fill, but there are some places to waste it down there, and I'll stockpile it. Alright, first load in the tractor. As you can see, I do not fill the trailer, not even, I don't know, half full maybe, I guess. This is all clay fill, so it is quite heavy. Yeah. So here's the little ravine that I'm dumping it in. This was my wife's family farm, and this was used as a dump for probably close to 100 years. And last year, before I owned the Mini, I had rented one and cleaned up a whole bunch down here, and this looks nothing like it did last year. And I'm just starting YouTube, so there's a lot of projects, a lot of stuff that I've done, which I'm kind of sad that I haven't recorded. But you got to start somewhere, and now is the time. Literally just got my tripod today, so I feel like a full-on professional. And this is where almost all the dirt from this project is going to go. Sorry for spinning you around so fast, but and this isn't exactly where I want to pile it either, but off to my left there, it is quite wet, so just in the nature of getting this project started, I've probably got 20 quad loads of fill to move, so I have plenty of fill after this. I'll wait for that other spot to dry up and then stockpile some of it, but I can waste a lot of it down here and smooth things up, get rid of stuff. So that's what I'm doing. Got the remote running inside the side window here, so works out pretty good. Alright, well, I'm going to let you guys go and keep hauling this dirt here. Here's the back side of the silos. There's another pile right over there too. So it's going to be a while, so not to bore you. But if you want to check out more, if I get any views on this video, maybe I'll film some more. Otherwise, stay tuned. I've got do some wood cutting, wood splitting on this channel. Some fabrication. I've got a CNC plasma business out of that shop, and so this will be a little bit of everything: excavator stuff, wood cutting, splitting, fabrication, and who knows what else. But it's awfully windy to be filming here today, so I will just leave you at that, and we'll see you next time.